వేడి వేడి ఎండ ఎండ దూల scripted under ఇది. So basically the atmosphere is so low. If you're under the sun you boil up. If you're under the shade like what we are right now, it's fine. But yeah, it's freaking hot.
All set.
This is how is the experience as such?
Oh dude, what an experience this. Wait, I was just telling. We can write a Grandal Rayachitla stories.
Middle of nowhere. బయటికి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే middle of nowhere and we are getting such full thali. We're happy.
Entire trip Shubhu. Rice, Poku.
Rochi, okay. Rochi, imagine getting all this in Hyderabad or any urban city.
People are not that friendly in urban atmosphere, right?
Here,
You just go. They don't stop you.
they don't care. Here we got water, we got food,
And we got everything done.
we got our bikes repaired as such.
We are lucky also. But yeah, for example.
Bikes వదిలేసినాం, టెంపో పట్టుకున్నాం. తిరుమలగిరి कितना भैया टिकट कितना?
टिकट उतरने के बाद
ఓకే ఓకే ఒకడికి ప్లేస్ తక్కువ ఉంది. అచ్చా ఏమున్నారా
చెప్పినా బ్రో కుదురుపు వైల్డ్ లైఫ్
మేము ఆగిన మౌంటైన్ గొర్రెలకి ఐబిక్స్ గుచ్చుకునే మరి ఒకదానిలో ఒకటి. We booked a tempo.
Sorry if it is windy because no mics. We're just speaking to the iPhone. And this water is cold.
Is it drinkable though? Is it drinkable? Direct glacier water kadra?
That is
Ice card gosta. Freezing cold water. Fish. Oh, freezing cold water. It's addictive. Crazy addictive.
as crispy water as you can get here.
It's addictive, right? 1, 2, 3. Right. All of us are so tired getting the luggage from the room to the bikes. We are feeling already exhausted. In the parking lot itself, there are 2 bikes itself. Today morning, time is 10:30. We wanted to start at 8 o'clock, but super tired, lack of sleep because of the weather. No one could sleep properly. And yeah, now we are heading to Chandrataal Lake. That is 98 kilometers, 3 hours, 3 minutes. Hello, let's go up. On the move, the breeze is very comfortable, but if you're not on the move, standing still, you're sweating like a pig. Isha. Thank you Zostel for all the hospitality and wonderful food here in Kaza. I want you to fall first. From past 20 kilometers, no, actually 15 kilometers, the roads are like this. They're laying new roads, and that is one of the reasons why there are no new roads. Whoa! And Africa is thriving. Everyone are way far off. And I'm not stopping for any man. This is for the Africa today, for the 21-inch rim. But the problem here is a lot of bikes have puncture or air loss, air leakage, and we are not able to find the nearest air pump. And the small air pump which we are carrying ran out of juice. So I am in search of a puncture, sir. Okay, I take it. I take it. Sexy roads. నాకేం తెలియలే. I'm always in need, bro.
It was fun.
దీనికైతే జుజుబి వాళ్ళు తెస్తున్నారు కొంచెం మల్టీ స్టార్ట్ ఏడుస్తుంది.
ఇంత పెద్ద మూలం అయింది ఇంత పెద్ద
అవునా
ఇంత థిక్ బోల్ట్ ఇంకా రాయో 6 ఇంచ్ 7 ఇంచ్ ఉంది
बाप रे
धूल मट्टी से हो गए वो बड़ा वाला निकल के छोटा क्लैंप लगा
पानी 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 भैया हवा मारते क्या? हवा हवा
मारते हैं तो मारते हैं
थोड़ा हवा मार दो ना भैया. अभी 4 बाइक है, ऊपर तक लेके जाओ, ऊपर तक लेके जाओ.
उनको दो गैस वाले को
वो लोग है क्या?
पता ही नहीं होता
नहीं आपके वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है ना, उन्होंने बोले कि हाँ मारते हैं. भैया भैया जी हवा मारेंगे भैया. 32 आगे बस आगे बस आगे पीछे ले लो. 32 भैया. शिवम पूछ पंचर है क्या? అంత అయినా జరుగుతుంది. వరుణ్ కాల్ చేసి మెల్లగా వచ్చేమను, ఇక్కడే ఉంది కదా, మెల్లగా వచ్చేమను, పక్కనే ఉంది కదా రాకి. వాటర్ అంటే మళ్ళీ 2-3 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉంది. 2 కూడా లేదు, 1 కూడా లేదు.
So guys, because of the bad roads, all like more than half the bikes have got punctured, and we've basically come to a road contractor because there's no puncture repair shop around here, and this is what we can do. This is the best bet we have. Yeah, people all around are very helpful. We are very grateful for that. The Maltese tire is pretty much gone. I've been using the Bridgestone tires. It's about 6,000 kilometers old, and I don't know whether this tire will last even the length of this trip. Yeah, so hopefully it'll have, fingers crossed. Like the hospitality, look, where are we? We are like absolutely in the middle of nowhere, and this is a place where they service their JCBs and their trucks. They helped us in repairing our bike tires. That's so sweet. And then they gave us food after that, a proper plate of thali, dal, chawal, roti and sabji in the middle of absolute nowhere, man. It is so unbelievable. Bigger cities, nah, we're not this helpful for sure. This is next level. Thank you so much.
चंद्रताल
बिस्किट Bridgestone tire double biscuit
6,000 kilometers it ran, and after that the tire tore.
sotas dents in the tire.
One, two. So
The tire is gone.
60% of the group left to Chandrataal. I think they'll be reaching Chandrataal in another 20 minutes. 4 of us, he's dead. 4 of us are in middle of nowhere where we had our lunch.
We came back here because the puncture.
And now we are waiting for a transport to pick up the Ducati and go.
Where are we sending a visitor?
We have no idea. Successful. Chala diya, but we still have no idea whether this bike is going to Chandigarh or Gaza or what we are going to do up next. Ruchi, okay na?
బాధగుందిరా.
See, it's part of adventure.
We've been having a great.
ఇంతకంటే అడ్వెంచర్ ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది?
ఏందో చేస్తున్నారు మేస్త్రి పనులు. రే
गिरना नहीं
अटक गया.
अटक गया मैं, अटक गया.
Did you realize you were just like about to fall like Lopot?
I love
All
you,
thanks
buddy.
to Kishore.
Thank you. I need this. मिल गया मेरे को इसे.
There was such an easy way, huh?
So the thing is, this bike is going to Chandigarh and we are removing everything there is on the bike.
Not everything. Only you removed only one thing.
If there's nothing on the bike, Reno.
Yeah.
Bye bye multi.
And freaking it's raining, man. In Sirchu. Not Sirchu. Spiti.
You guys have seen, we've already shipped the multi back to Kaza. We are heading back to Kaza. 6 of us have actually headed to the next destination, which is Chandrataal, and 4 of us are heading back to Kaza. Reason, we don't have a tire for the multi, and the tire is gone, absolutely gone to gutters. There's absolutely no rubber left on it. It's like I can actually make a puncture on that with the help of what, a twig, not even a twig, something very small or something like a feather actually can cause puncture in that tire right now. It's become that. And yes, we miss cricket. We want to play cricket, not at this altitude though. That's going to be difficult. And saying that, we are heading back to Kaza. We're going back to the hostel. We're going to stay there for the night. I will try and rent out a Himalayan in Kaza. I don't know if it is possible or not. Fingers crossed. I know you're not able to cross it, but yeah, fingers crossed we can do that. And if we can do that, tomorrow morning we'll be pushing out from here. And another problem is going to be the luggage. So we're going to send our drone and all the unnecessary stuff back to Chandigarh on the multi-strada which is being towed. As you guys have seen earlier, it's sad, but yeah, we have to be even very careful while taking that bike to Chandigarh. That guy is getting it very slowly, and we need to find the rate as well. How much is he going to charge to Chandi? All those aside, again, our plans, Himalayan trips being the great adventurous trips of all times, it is continuing. Our group is basically split into 2 because there is no signal. Where they found signal, when we got in touch with each other, we were about 50 kilometers adrift, and because of that we've asked them to continue. We didn't want them to come back because it didn't make sense. They were about 20-30 kilometers from Chandrataal when basically they called us. So this is to that, heading back. The village which you see there, that is Kaza. So that's where we are headed right now. Almost there, about another 4 kilometers, 10 minutes. That's the journey left to Kaza. But anyways, this is where today's vlog is going to end. And I am riding this. Multi is not there. Srujan is on the GS. Kishore wanted to just take a small rest in the car. So that's how it is happening. Chalo guys, see you on another very, very, very adventurous day, which is about to come really, really soon. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, love you guys. Bye bye. And always keep smiling. Phew.